Zcash could fall 1.6% by August 14 per CoinLore analysis. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Zcash has posted a 3.6% increase today and is now near the $496.13 level. Let's move into the projection roundup. Traders Union expects the price to move toward $502.64 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 1.3%. 30. Rates believe Zcash may approach $498. That's an increase of about 0.4%. Coin price forecast points out it could move up to $497, about 0.2% more than now. Another outlook from CoinLore highlights Zcash may head down to $488.28, a decrease close to 1.6%. And to end CoinCodex believes the price could reach $483.75 by August 14, showing a 2.5% drop. This is the most profitable pick. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decline of 2.5% and an increase of 1.3%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that CoinCodex expects the top return with 2.5% jump in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could see profits of between $2 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. Using recent volatility figures, coin price forecast points to the top probability at 91.6%. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. The average outlook positions Zcash at about $493.93. Alright, let's see what's inside. Consensus insights highlight a 0.4% decrease in price. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.4%. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $4 in potential profit. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Zcash is about 90.8%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. Traders Union sees the chart tilted toward growth. 30 rates highlights building pressure to the downside. Coin price forecast sees the chart leaning upward. According to CoinLore, the market is likely to trend downward. CoinCodex signals a likely move upward. The consensus stance presents Zcash trading quietly within a limited band over the next 3 days. Altogether, 60% of forecasts indicate an upward direction, highlighting positive expectations for Zcash. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. As a result, the day's closing figure was $489.90. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. On the accuracy side, CoinLore had the leading forecast. Let's go deeper into how it played out. 2 forecasts fit within the daily range. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above 0, with the maximum gain at 1%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. Traders Union displays 45.7% forecast probability, $23.29 accuracy, and 0.6% ROI. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Zcash and several others. Zcash is not the leader today, as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Gram with 5%. In this section, Zcash appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table, with many more assets, is now live on my website. If this video made following the forecasts easier, drop a like before you go. It keeps the project running. See you in the next comparison.